Hi, welcome to Ep-8. This is episode 8 of C-Aptitude. So in today's video, we'll be solving this question. So this is a do-while loop question and it has a twist at its end. What is that twist? We'll see now. So we have two integers that are being declared, C and NO. So C is being declared to 5 and the number NO has the value 1000 in it. Okay. And then we'll get on to the do-while loop part. As we saw in the second episode, I guess, the do-while loop executes the statements that are given inside this do part at least once. Okay, and that is because this do-while loop is an exit control loop. Okay, so if you hadn't seen that episode where we discussed this, you can go back and check that episode as well. Now let's move on to this question. So number is equal to number divided by C, and that is the meaning of this statement, of course, because this is augmented assignment operator which performs number is equal to number divided by C. Okay, and that is what this statement means. Okay, so the number, that is the variable NO, stores the value that we get when we divide the existing value of NO, which is 1000, divided by C. So 1000 divided by C, that is 5, would give us, I guess, 200. So 200 will be stored in the value of NO, and then we'll get to the while. So while C minus minus. So the value of C is being subtracted by 1, right? So this process will be repeated and it will be printed at the end. What will be printed? The value of NO. Okay. So C is equal to 5, NO is equal to 1000. We divided 1000 by 5 and we got 200. Now the value of C is 4. So the do part will be executed and what would we get? 200 by 4, we'll get 50, right? So we have 50 now. The value of NO is 50. Now we have 50 divided by 3. 4 is being decremented to 3. So 50 divided by 3 would be 16 point something, but since we have an integer here, the value of 16 would be taken. Okay, so we have 16 here and 3 is being decremented to 2. So 16 divided by 2 will get 8 and 2 will be decremented to 1. So 8 divided by 1 will get 8 again, and now the value of C would be 0. So we'll be dividing 8 by 0. So that is an error because we'll get 0 division error. We can't divide a number by 0, which is simply not possible, right? And hence we'll get an error, that is the 0 division error. And I'm not sure what the C compiler would say for the 0 division error. It is the 0 division error. Okay, so that is the output that we get. We will not get the answer to this question. So now let's move on to the IDE and verify it. So here we are in our IDE and we have copied this question here. Now let's run this program and verify our output. As we can see here, we are getting the error as floating point exception since we are dividing it by 0. And that is the end of this question. Now let's move on to the try out session. So this is a slight variation of the question that we just solved. Let me know your answers in the comment section below. If you love this video, please drop a like and comment down below if you have any questions. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next episode of C-Aptitude. Until then, bye bye.